In this video, I will explain matrix multiplication. Let's start with matrix A, which takes the following form as shown on the whiteboard. Note that the subscripts refer to the position in the matrix, where the first number is the row number and the second number is the column number. So it's easy to identify the position of a single entry. So for instance, this entry here, 2, 2, refers to the second row and the second column. Matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns. Hence we can state that matrix A has the dimension 3 times 2. Let's consider another matrix called B. So B has the dimension 2 times 4, as we have 2 rows and 4 columns. And as you can see, we follow the same naming convention for our entries. So B23, for instance, refers to the second row and the third column. So how can we obtain the product A times B? We have to focus first on whether dimensions match. Now this is important before we proceed with multiplication. The best way to check dimensions is to write them down as follows. So A is 3 times 2 and B is 2 times 4. The adjacent dimensions agree, both are 2. The remaining dimensions determine the structure of the product. So you can see these 2 are the adjacent ones, they agree, they're the same. And the outer ones, these are the ones that determine the structure of the product. So the resulting matrix AB should have the dimension 3 times 4. So how do we multiply? We take the first row of matrix A and the first column of matrix B. We multiply each entry and determine the sum. This provides a new entry for the product AB. So we look here at the first row and the first column, and we start multiplying the entries. So we take the first one times the first one plus the second one times the second one. So we end up with A11 B11 plus A12 B21. And this is the entry in position 1, 1. Yeah, first row, first column. Then we would move to the next one. So first row, second column, which would be then this entry and so on. And we obtain the structure as expected, 3 rows and 4 columns. To summarize, always check dimensions and understand the dimension of the resulting product. The actual calculations are usually done using a computer. I will see you in the next one.